In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Mighty Networks, a cloud-based community builder that's perfect for creating a vibrant online space. Whether you're looking to build a community for your business, organization, or hobby, Mighty Networks offers a robust set of tools to help you get started. One of the best things about it is that you can dive right in with a 14-day free trial, giving you the opportunity to explore all the features it offers before deciding to commit financially. First, you'll want to navigate to the Mighty Networks website, where you'll see an option for a free trial right on the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be on your way to unlocking a dynamic community building experience. Now, as soon as you click that free trial button, you'll be greeted by a screen prompting you to define your target audience. This step is crucial because it activates Mighty Co-host, the platform's AI-powered community builder. By accurately defining who your audience is, this smart tool will automatically generate a community description, a name, and even a design catered to your ideas and goals. It's a clever feature designed to take some of the workload off and get your community up and running more seamlessly. Once that's in place, the next step is to create your account. You're given a couple of options here. You can either use your email address or sign up with an existing social media account. If you opt to go the traditional route by using your email, the process begins simply by entering your name. From there, you'll be guided to a screen where you'll input your email address and create a password. Make sure you choose a password that's both secure and memorable. This protects your new community and ensures you can access it easily every time you log in. And just like that, your account is set up and ready to go. You've successfully signed up for Mighty Networks and are now poised to start setting up your community space. We'll dive into how to customize and manage your community in our next chapter, so stay tuned for more detailed instructions on getting your new space just the way you want it. This straightforward guide should help you take your first steps into the world of Mighty Networks with confidence. Embrace this chance to explore and experiment with ways to build a thriving, engaging community. Enjoy your 14-day free trial, and I'm sure you'll find immense value in what Mighty Networks has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video, where we'll delve deeper into setting up a community that's unique to your needs and aspirations.